Morning folks, welcome to Moggy's Life Hacks. What I'm going to show you today is a very easy breakfast smoothie. I'm going to be doing 100 burpees today, so I've got to have the right fuel in my belly to allow me to do that. So what I've got here, this is a great thing, is a Breville Blend Active. It's just a wee blender like a Food Ninja, whatever you call it. In here I've got just about a third full of milk, almond milk. You could use normal milk, whatever you want to use. So a wee bit of milk. Into that I'm just going to put a tablespoonful of oats. Got to get your oats in the morning. A couple of dollops of natural yogurt. There's a lot of good stuff in there. Calcium and protein. And I'm going to put in a wee drizzle of honey. Just for a wee bit of sweetness. Not very much. Into there goes a little scoop of protein powder, and this is a vanilla flavour protein powder from My Protein. I think it was about £12. Got that in B&M. It's really good. Scoop of protein powder and magic ingredient, 1 banana. And the banana's got fibre and potassium. Potassium is really important for getting rid of salt out of your body. So you can get rid of the salt, and it's also got lots of good stuff, fibre for the day, lots of energy, and it also helps you build muscle. All the right stuff in there. So that just screws on. Give that a wee twist. And shake it. That's nice and smooth. And the best thing about this is why I absolutely love it. You just take that lid off, you stick on the wee cap, and that's you sorted for the morning. That can go wherever you're going to go, or you can stick it in your fridge and have it later on. But I think I'm going to have this right now, and then get on with my burpees in an hour time or so. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and we'll catch you soon on Moggy's Life Hacks.